Okay guys, section 3-3, we're going to solve linear systems. So we solved, or we graphed a linear inequality before, where we shade, right? Now we're going to graph a system. Remember what a system is. It's at least two equations or inequalities, okay? So here we go. First type of example, we're going to graph a system of two inequalities. We could have 3, 4, we could have a bunch. Usually if you pretend this one isn't here, if I said, hey, graph this, you'd say, okay, it's greater than, so I know I'm going to be shading in the end. It's already in slope-intercept form, mx plus b, so let's go with -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot that. Slope is -2/1, so down 2/1, we can't graph that, so we're going to go up to left 1, same thing, up to left 1. Okay, I'm gonna do this. You don't have to keep doing this, but I'm doing it for a purpose here. And it's not equal to it, so it's a dashed line. So I'm gonna come over here and give me a dashed line, and that should be good like that. Let's see what happens here. There we go, dashed line. Okay, now if you were to shade like normal, if we pretend like the second one wasn't there, and we said, okay, we need to shade this. Let's go with, how do you shade? You test a point, 0, 0, so I'd put 0 for y, can't see it, greater than, that's 0, -5, so 0 is greater than -5, is that true or false? That's true, so therefore 0, 0 is a solution. So, I'm probably going to need a different color here. I'm going to shade like this. Okay, now the other one, we have to take into account this purple is the solutions to the first one. These are all the solutions to this guy. We want to find the solutions to both of these together. So let's do the second one now. So basically my advice is do one at a time. Alright? It's already in slope-intercept form, easy. So +3, 1, 2, 3. Slope is 1/1, so up 1/1, 1, down 1/1, and keep going here. Okay, then I'll draw my, it's a not dashed but solid line, so go this way. Oop, not with that one. There. Okay, go with this one. So, oh, it's not dashed though. Go back to this. Here we go. So, draw a line here. Now we have to decide where to shade for this. So, let's plug in 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 0 plus 3. 0 is less than or equal to 3. Is that true? That's true, so therefore 0, 0 is a solution. Now you have to like compartmentalize and forget that the first shade is here. I just want to shade the second shade, okay? So I'm going to change my color to some green here. I'm going to shade, this is the second line, I need to shade this way. Alright, everybody understand what I'm doing? I did the first one, I shaded. I did the second one, I shaded just the second one. I'm not worried about the first one. Now look what happened. There's an overlap here, if you can see it. You see the overlap? Okay. It's right in this area. Right here. There's green and purple right here. Notice this up here is just purple. Those are solutions to the first one. Notice this right here is just green. Those are solutions to the second one. But where you see an overlap, that's where you want to shade real dark. Because that overlap, if you think about it, is the solutions for both the first line, or the first inequality, and the second inequality. So this right here, you need to do. Shade where they overlap, because those are your solutions to the whole system, okay? They work for everything, for both of these things. Okay, remember that's what a solution to the system is. It works for the whole system. Okay, that's it. How do you graph two inequalities? Do one, shade it. Do the second one, shade it. And then, step 3, shade the overlap dark. So you're showing me all these solutions. Okay, that's all it's to this whole section. Alright.